It's giving body. It's giving body. Good morning, guys. I literally just woke up. Like, I didn't even sleep with my hair scarf. I was so tired after my shift. And today's exciting. I'm going for an influencer, so social media marketing, content creation events in Toronto. So yes. I'm about to get ready, take my bath, do my makeup, do my hair, and I want to carry you guys along with me because this event, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. Since I came to Canada, I haven't gone, into that networking phase or that networking space. So this is me challenging myself, coming out of my comfort zone, trying to make new friends, trying to, learn something new, because this is what I want to do in the nearest future. So now I'm still in school, so I'm just trying to gather all the nuggets and wisdom that I can get. So yeah, I'm gonna shower and we're gonna go get ready for this event. All right. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, forgive me. I know I haven't been consistent, but your girl is back. All right. I'm feeling high. So guys, I just finished my makeup. Face is bit, hair is laid, and yeah, I'm about to get dressed. I'm going to show you my full outfit, but yes guys, this is the look. I had many twists. The way I flat twisted this thing and so that it will fit, it's a testimony. If you guys want me to do a video on how I was able to, put my hair so that my wig will be laid, put my twist down under my wig, let me know in the comment section. But yes, this is the look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I'm gonna get changed because I don't want to be late. I want to be one of the first people there to register. I cannot be late. So guys, I am dressed. Yes. I don't know if you can see what I'm wearing, but it's a green dress. I got it from H&M, and yeah, I'm loving the look. The weather sucks though. Like, the weather is giving rainy season for whatever you guys call it in this Canada, but yeah, it's not giving me yet. So guys, I'm on my way. I got some breakfast from Tim Hortons. Every day these people are eating my money, but I have to eat something because I don't know what time there's gonna be refreshments or how the whole setup is. So let me just eat. Let me give you a tip: anytime you're going out, make sure you put something in your stomach so that you will not be disappointed. I got me a sandwich, I have some coffee. Yeah, I'm so excited. I don't know why. Like, I just want to go. Let's see what's happening. Yeah. Traffic, and I hope that I get there on time. The event said registration starts by 9:40 and it's 9:34, but I know that worst case scenario I'll get there by 10, so that's fine. Yeah, looking cute. Here guys, and I'm going to be here for the event.
Sure, that's fine.
The platform social.
Let front desk know, they will let you know.
Guys, I just got here, came to use the washroom. Yes, let's do this.
Guys, I'm having fun. I've met people. I've gotten like 3 handles from people, so I'm not even shy. Like when I come to an event, normally I'm shy, but I've met people, exchanged Instagram handles, shared my story. Now we're taking a break. There's a 30 minutes break, and I just want to get something to eat. That's what I'm eating. Yes.
How's everybody doing? What's wild about that is I kind of forgot about some of those things. Everybody excited to be here?
Yes.
No one's being forced to be here?
Yeah.
Try to meet them in the middle because the brand obviously has their objectives on how something wants to be shown. But also, you're you. And you see the product or the service in a certain way that fits your you. But sometimes it doesn't always align. So for me, it's just like, you try to meet them in the middle. But I've been times where they're like, no, we want it this way. And
The question is, how are we supposed to have these conversations? Because yes, you want to respectfully want to sort of align with the brand but how do you know it's not just one of those situations where that PR person isn't just dialing it in and they're not thinking big enough or not thinking, what would you do in a situation like that?
This is where, for me, what's been very helpful is my representation. And so there's a clear firewall around me where they know, like my team, management, etc., they know when to call in Julie. So the Julie juice is a whole other sauce. And there's just remembering that, yeah, there's humans behind it, there's ego behind it, there's all these different things, but what we've been doing lately is providing. I don't feel comfortable in a panty. I'm not gonna wear the compression and all the things. I need to be able to work out, everything has to shake. It has to shake, and then I know what I'm trying to fix up. That's my own.
Please welcome Alma. And Melissa Perry.
How do you transition into being a content creator alongside my 9 to 5? I am currently taking a sabbatical to travel the world, which is exciting for me. And this is my first panel, so I'm equal parts nervous, excited, and
Hey guys, so the event is rounding up. I can't stay for the end, but it was amazing. I met some awesome people. I met my fave, and I wanted to say hi to my vlog. This is Alma. I literally saw her post about this event, and that's why I'm here. So you deserve a percentage.
well, thank you for coming.
Well,
I hope you learned a lot.
I learned a lot. Like you really, your tips were practical, and I'm inspired. I don't have to have all the tools, but just start. Just start.
Yeah.
Just start.
Ask for help.
I will ask for help. I'll put myself out there. And what's the worst anybody can say is no. And
Exactly.
We move. Can you see the outfit? Green.
No, wait. Let me show them your outfit. It's giving body. It's giving body. No, but this is so cute though. I love it. Where's your dress from?
It's from H&M.
Okay, and your
The
shoes?
top is from Aldo. The bottom shoes from H&M. Everything from H&M.
So cute.
Looking cute when
I love it. I absolutely love it.
So guys, yes. I just wanted to show you. I got a goodie bag. This bag is heavy. I'm not even joking. I can use this bag to do some exercise. It's heavy. I can't wait to see what's inside. There are lots and lots of goodies. I had fun. I made a friend. Her name is Cheyenne. Woo, she was so nice. She took my pictures. We bonded. We exchanged contact. I made some networks. I took some numbers of some good communications, marketing, event managers. So it was the event gave what it was supposed to give plus more. It wasn't awkward. I didn't feel uncomfortable. I was confident. It was sociable. It wasn't no mean girl energy. Yeah, I got lots of things. I'm just gonna show you guys a brief video of what's inside. I'm just gonna show you a sneak peek because my battery's about to die, and yeah, so I can't do an unboxing. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye guys.
So I'll be unboxing the gift bag I got yesterday from Platform Media's event called Platform Social. Guys, this bag is very heavy and there are a bunch of things inside. I personally haven't looked at it one by one, so I wanted to show you guys what exactly was inside the bag. All right, okay, let's start. So this is the first thing in the gift bag. It's a recipe book for entertaining guests. I think it's very pretty. It has from cocktails to different things, pasta. Then there's this electronic toothbrush. I've been meaning to get one for myself, so I'm glad I got it as a gift it's from Philips. There's this MAC headband. This event had amazing sponsors, so this is cute for when you're doing your get ready with me. I can see myself using this for that. Facial mask. Basically, it's for the down below area to give it a face. So cool. I can't wait to try it. Yes. Then there's this fruit infusion tea. It has apple, almond, cinnamon, beetroot, almond flavoring, exciting. I'm a tea lover, so I can't wait to try this. This is also tea, so yay, more tea. Lip mask. I can tell it's fancy. Let's see what it looks like. Then these are a pair of glasses from Joe Fresh. Ooh, okay. Come on now. It's summer now, so hey, everybody needs a pair of glasses. Then these are some daily nutritional supplements, which is good. I take my vitamins, but this one has everything in it, so you don't have to take your vitamins one by one. I love my lips to stay moisturized, so I'll totally be using this for the tea. It's really heavy, so that's some quality metal. There's also this cute mug, which I like. I kind of like the shape. I don't know how to explain. What kind of shape is this? But yeah, I have a cute mug for my new tea bags. Talk to me nice. I actually like the bag as well. Have your people call my people. Yeah, that's the energy I'm on, okay? You can't talk to me directly. They asked us for our information because they're going to send us a hairdryer. All in all, the event was amazing.